The government gears up to pass key pending bills in the Rajya Sabha, and being the last day of the budget session and the opposition divided over key bills, more fireworks are expected in the floor of the House.
On Thursday, Rajya Sabha saw 4 adjournments in a span of an hour after uproar over Mines and Minerals Bill.
House is adjourned for 10 minutes. The House is adjourned for 20 minutes.
And today, all eyes are on Rajya Sabha as the government gears up to push key bills. The BJP government, which doesn't have the numbers in Rajya Sabha, is set to face stiff opposition on the last day of the budget session.
We are committed to our opposition to many of these clauses in the bill, which we think are very harmful for the country, our economy, and to a large section of our people. We are very, very clear. We are going to vote for the procedural point of order that has been raised by us today.
From day one, we wanted to have the ordinances withdrawn, and then these bills could be sent to the select committee. Select committee was accepted, but how? I mean, half the members are giving dissenting notes. This is notified in a proper way. Nothing of that kind has been done, and a report has been written in 3 days. It doesn't work quite that way.
While the opposition stands united over land bill, it's not the case when it comes to this bill. Modi government surprisingly finding support from unexpected quarters over coal and mines and minerals bill.
We had 2 or 3 issues on the mining bill. We brought it to the notice of the government. They've included some of those in the bill itself and some in the rules. So we are on board with the mining, and so with coal.
But with today being the last day of the session, pressure is on the Modi government to push through key bills.
आप डिस्कस करके जो भी डिसाइड होता है वो करिए. आप ये नहीं कर सकते कि हम डिस्कस ही नहीं करने देंगे, हम जो है वो चर्चा ही नहीं होने देंगे. तो ये तो संसदीय व्यवस्था के भी खिलाफ है, लोकतांत्रिक व्यवस्था के भी खिलाफ है और संवैधानिक व्यवस्था के भी खिलाफ है.
With government racing against time, they are likely to seek an extension of the session.
The mines and minerals bill is agreed upon here or decided upon here, then I have to go back to the Lok Sabha. The Lok Sabha members also are, because every member will have some program or other prefixed program, so they are also asking me, why are you going to extend? If this is not done, then I have to extend. There is no other way.
As the government struggles to build consensus in the upper house on key bills, will the government manage to get all parties on board? Bureau Report, Times Now.